30 minutes of traipsing through the creek. That's pottery, you hear? And we have assembled more metal from the Hernando de Soto expedition than the official archaeological team, taking lots of grant money for years, 60 miles that way, has even managed to, they found like 5 pieces. It's because after the battle, they wintered around, and Soto went that way before he cut up to Arkansas, the Mississippi. There's got to be a commentary in there about what's wrong with the system. I think we all have seen, obviously, recently that power corrupts, that money corrupts. But see, the thing is it's not even necessary. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to keep out here, keep going, bringing the truth of our past to you for, guess what? That much money. That much in grants. That much has come and has been taken by my efforts. Yeah. Long live Tuscaloosa. I have to leave so much, though. I mean, it's everywhere,